Been up here for about an hour and a half working on a project. Trail camera was getting, I'll show you some images here, was getting really fuzzy and mucky and filmed over. The lens inside of it was, there's moisture built up on it. And I was the reason the moisture, because I would leave the battery hang and moisture would get up in there and caused all kinds of issues. And it just became so murky that you hardly could see through the lens. So I thought, I looked it online, you know, the internet's full of ideals, good and bad. So I took the hair dryer and tried that. I put it on the dash of the car and ran the defroster or the heat, and it cleared it right up. And then as soon as I brought it back outside, boy, it just would just glaze back over. So earlier this week, I did some research, and there was an individual on TikTok, which that's where you need to be apparently, I'm not, that showed how simplistic it was to take it apart, clean the lens, put it back together. What screws to take out, what screws not to take out, and boom, 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 boom. So I did that, hooked it back up, and the trial run of me turning it back on and me walking back and forth has triggered like 3 pictures, and beautifully as crisp clear as you see here as can be, like brand new. So if that does work the way it appears to have been working and everything is connected back to the way it was, we're in good shape. And that was my biggest concern. It's interesting that inside on that panel that they don't solder the wire to the terminal. It's like it's like buttons. They solder a snap to the wire, and then the memory board has a snap on it, and that's what disconnected. And I thought, oh boy, I've ruined the camera. Tore the wire, but just snapped. And based on the distance of the wire, I kind of guessed at it, and it appears it has worked. So beautiful, wonderful, looks great. If all goes well, we'll try it tonight and see if that fires off.